ginagawa ninyo? Ano pa ang mga
Oo, yan talagang in fact, meron ngayon natin mararamdaman yan. Darating pa mga 1 week, no? Yung mga posibleng na infeksyon sa pagbaha. That's why, ahead of time, as you all know, the city prepared this medicine or doxycycline made available in our health centers and in our hospital to any John Doe and Mary na pwedeng kumuha. 250,000 plus capsules were prepared by the city, and this will add protection to possible victim because of the exposure sa pagbaha ng tao.
Pero kamusta po yung capacity ng hospital sa
Okay naman. The good thing about Manila is that I think, as I have said a while ago, we are the largest healthcare provider in the entire country with regard to local government unit owned hospital. No? We have 7 hospitals, we have 44 health centers all over the city. So in terms of numbers, we have not achieved the level of threat the way it was during the pandemic time. Medyo yung kasi talagang overwhelmed. But with regard to the exposure to leptospirosis patients, we are still in a good condition, but it is very important that the government, local and the national, should look into this. Kami lang medyo panatag kami kasi alam na namin mangyayari. Dahil year on year naman, may baha, may bagyo. So, and based on our data that we have acquired and analyzed in the past years, we came prepared in our own little way as a city government na abatan itong posibleng pagdami ng infeksyon sa tao ng leptospirosis.
Dito naman sa dialysis naman tayo. Leptos ka pa?
Sorry, can you say you're it's lower than the previous years?
Hindi pa tapos kasi. Katulad ng una ko na naturan, hindi pa yan ngayon yan. Mag-antabay ka pa ng mga 1 week. Medyo baka pumalo pa. Baka pumalo pa. So after that, we settle, we compare the data on with regard to number of exposure year on year, kung tumaas ba, bumaba ba, or and the most important thing, more than those numbers, whether bumaba o tumaas, sana walang madisgrasya.
So far,
Kasi
sir,
it's a very dangerous infection also.
so far, sir, yung capacity ng bed okay at yung sa patas
Yeah, we're okay.
Sa Manila LG Hospital.
Manila LG Hospital.
So ako lang isa, dialysis, na bakit pinagawa ko?
Bulok na eh.
Hindi, ibig sabihin na nung servisyo
We have to renovate the entire building.
Para malaman lang naman.
Make it more maaliwalas, and with a new partner that guarantees the protection of the city government and the people of Manila's interest.
So last na lang ang mensahe sa ating mga kababayan para iwasan yung leptos.
Una, hindi ko malaman kung paano kayo umiwas sa baha, because baha is everywhere. Not only in Manila, but the entire Metro Manila kapag may bagyo. In as much as you can, umiwas tayo sa baha. But even if, halimbawa, mababaha tayo, halimbawa, ahead of time, there is medicines available to further protect you with regard to availability of doxycycline in our health centers, in our hospital. We still have about 200,000 more capsules. We did it already in the last rainy season, in August, September last year, remember? So we did it again
So
today.
available yun, lahat health center.
Available. At wag ko kayong mahihiya kung ito po yung pangkalahatan, ano? Kasi may mga inquiry sa Facebook po. Pang mahirap lang ba yan? Hindi po. Pang tao. So tao. Ibig sabihin, mahirap, middle class, mayaman can avail of this.
And even hindi po residente ng Manila.
Kung kinakailangan maproteksyonan, because at the end of the day, sa amin din tatakbong ospital yan dahil dito rin sila nagkaroon ng infeksyon. So, it's gonna cost us more, spend more instead of maproteksyon na namin, mas maraming tao, mas maganda. The way it was in the pandemic, di ba? Nakita nyo naman. Pinilit namin iyakapin ang kaya namin iyakapin. Because yung kabutihan nila, habang sila tumutungo in and out of the city, kabutihan din ng mga taga-syudad ng Maynila. Lesser infection with regard to infectious disease is better for the people of Manila. And it is better for our medical facilities. Hindi kami macho-choke, mabubulo na.
Libre.
Wala naman tosca sa Maynila.
Oo, hindi naman ito kailangan.
Iway lagi.
Sinasabi libre.